Calling all Star Wars fans, the Mandalorian and Grogu are coming to Galaxy's Edge in a way that you have not yet experienced. Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run is getting ready to have a brand new flight mission that will involve both Grogu and the Mandalorian character. This announcement we just found out at the recent D23 event out in Anaheim, California. Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run can be experienced inside of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. This attraction at Walt Disney World opened back in 2019 with the opening of Galaxy's Edge as a whole at Hollywood Studios. In this attraction, you board the Millennium Falcon and get to actually have the experience of flying the ship. You are given either the position of a pilot, a gunner, or an engineer. This interactive ride is responsive to how you perform your tasks on board the ship, making it one of the must-do attractions at both Walt Disney World in Florida at Disney's Hollywood Studios, as well as the Disneyland Resort in Anaheim, California at Disneyland Park. Ever since this attraction opened, it has had the same movie that you go through and experience throughout the course of the ride. Coming in 2026, the ride is going to get updated with a brand new adventure to take guests on. And this adventure is going to include both Mandalorian and Grogu. This brand new experience is slated to premiere in conjunction with when the Mandalorian and Grogu movie hits the big screen in 2026. Let us know in the comments if you're excited for this brand new Star Wars Galaxy's Edge update.